Explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 21 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is Primary Auxiliaries, right? So let's talk about the primary auxiliaries in this chapter, right? So an auxiliary is a helping verb. Auxiliary का मतलब ही होता है helping verb, right? It is used with the main verb to form another verb. ये मेन वर्ब के साथ यूज की जाती है ताकि हम एक और दूसरा वर्ब बना सके. Sometimes an auxiliary verb has no significance of its own, but is very important when used with the main verb in a sentence. कि कभी कभी एक ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब की कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं होती है खुद की, राइट, बट जब वो मेन वर्ब के साथ यूज की जाती है एक सेंटेंस में तो उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस और भी ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. The three primary auxiliaries are have, be and do. तो ये हमारी तीन ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स हैं, दैट इज be, have and do, right? These can be used as verbs complete in themselves. कि ये हम प्रॉपर वर्ब्स की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट? जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल he will be eating food. I have many computer games. I do my homework every day, right? Be, have and do can also be used as helping verbs. कि ये जो be, have और do है इन्हें हम helping verbs की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Each of these has different forms. कि सभी के अलग अलग forms होते हैं, right? So let's read about the forms of be as the next topic. So सबसे पहले हमारे पास है base form be. तो base form be क्या है? Let's find out. So it is singular, plural, present tense, right? So as first person, which is I and we are going to use I am, we are. Second person as you in the singular is you are, and in the plural also it is you are. Third person he, she, it and singular nouns के साथ he, she, is. Sorry. He is and she is, right? And in the plural it is they are. And they in plural it is. Correct? Now moving up to the simple past tense. First person as I or we, it will be I was, we were. Second person in you, it would be you were, you were. Third person he, she, it and singular nouns. He was, she was. In they and plural nouns, it must be it was. And in plural, it becomes they were. Right? Present participle, be becomes being. And in past participle, be becomes been. We have forms of have. So it is base form have. Right? So let's see have के क्या forms है? Again, we have the same table, singular, plural, present tense. The first person, it is I have, we have. In the second person, it is you have, you have. In the third person, it is he has, she has, it has. And in the plural, it again becomes they have, right? Next, in the simple past tense, First person we have I had, we had. Second person we have you had, you had. And third person it is he had, she had, it had. And in the plural it becomes they had. Then the present participle becomes having, and in the past participle it becomes had. Next we have forms of do. Let's talk about the base form of do, right? Again, we have the same kind of table with singular and plural boxes with the present tense. In the first person it is I do, we do. In the second person, you do, you do. Third person, he does, she does, it does. And in plural it is they do. Right? Moving up to the simple past tense. The first person, I did, we did. In the second person, you did, you did. In the third person, he did, she did, it did. And in plural it is they did. Right? Now, present participle of do becomes doing and the past participle becomes done. From the tables we see. Table को देख के हमने क्या सीखा? The forms of be are, be, is, are, am, was, were, being and been. ये सभी हमारे verb forms थे be के. The forms of have are have, has, had and having. Right? ये सभी हमारे verb forms हैं have के. The forms of do are. तो अब do के verb forms क्या है? It is do, did, does, doing and done. Right? Now, the primary auxiliaries change their form according to the number and person of the subject in a sentence. कि जो प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज हैं वो अपने फॉर्म चेंज करते हैं नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग और पर्सन के अकॉर्डिंग जो कि सब्जेक्ट का होता है एक सेंटेंस में. Now, carefully study the examples and understand the different ways in which primary auxiliaries are used. तो अब ये कह रहे हैं ध्यान से हमें इन एग्जाम्पल्स को पढ़ना है और समझना है कि कैसे इन प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज को हम इन सेंटेंसेस में अलग अलग तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं. So, here we have the auxiliary be. The auxiliary be is used. कि जो auxiliary be है वो कहाँ यूज किया जाता है? It is in the formation of continuous tense. जब हमें continuous tense को form करना हो तब हम be form का use करते हैं. It is I am reading, he is sleeping, they are working, she was singing. Right? Next, to indicate a plan, arrangement or agreement. जब हमें कोई प्लान, कोई अरेंजमेंट या फिर एग्रीमेंट को इंडिकेट करना हो यानी शो करना हो तब. So it is we are going to Jaipur tomorrow. We are having the rehearsal in the evening. He is joining a new club next week. You are to pay the dinner bill. Next that we have is in the formation of passive voice. So, बात करते हैं passive voice की कि जब उसका formation होता है तब हम इन be forms का use करते हैं. So, it is the food was cooked. He was given the medal. The farm was plowed. The door was opened, right? Next we have auxiliary have. So अब auxiliary have कहाँ use होता है? The auxiliary have is used in the formation of perfect tense. जब हमें perfect tense बनाना होता है तब हम have का use कर सकते हैं. They have finished the work. She has never seen the Taj Mahal. We have done our homework. She has been playing. With the infinitive to indicate obligation. अब अगर हमें infinitive दिखाने हो obligations के लिए, right? So, I have to do this job within an hour. You have to be at office by 9 o'clock. He had to cook food himself. She has to do it herself. Next we have auxiliary do. तो अब बात की जाए auxiliary do की तो the auxiliary do is used कि जो auxiliary do है वो कहाँ use किया जाता है to make verbs negative जब हमें verbs को negative में convert करना हो. So it is I do not play in the morning. She did not go there. He does not want to drink milk. They did not come. To form interrogative sentences. जब हमें interrogative sentences बनाने हो तब भी हम इन do verbs का use करते हैं. Such as, do you like swimming? Does she know you? Did they come to the party? Do you like fast food? Next, to form emphatic sentences. So, जब हमें emphatic sentences बनाने हो तब. So it is, I do go there. She does eat fish. He does know French. He did accept his fault, right? Next, to form sentences which make request or invitation. तो जब हमें sentences बनाने हो जो request करती हो या फिर invitation देती हो, right? So it is, do sit down. Do finish your work today. Do accept my regards. Please do come to my office. Right? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with this. So, thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.